Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the speed of your animation on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the third option, the animate, at the upper side of the screen, and select a picture from your gallery. Tap to the first option, the animate, at the lower left corner of the screen, and go to the speed button. New, if you add the pet point to your picture, go to the speed option and you can edit the speed. Just pile the line on the scale and you can edit the speed of your animation, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.